Okay guys, we're gonna test the last video here with some vocals. Okay, so dry.
When your heart's not open, you only see what your eyes want to see. How can life be what you want it to be? You're frozen when your heart's not open.
Okay, we're gonna focus on when your heart's not open. Let's do that on flat.
When your heart's not open.
That was right. Now.
When your heart's not open.
Okay, flat.
When your heart's not open.
I'm gonna match the volume.
When your heart's not open.
Regular.
When your heart's not open.
Flat.
When your heart's not open.
Okay, when you see some muddiness in here, and it's really controlled by the flat setting. Okay, so basically all the frequencies are handled.
When your heart's not open.
Now.
When your heart's not open.
When this is the when, this is very boomy here.
When your heart.
Here, look at it.
When your.
Now.
When your heart's not open.
Okay, we have the same amount here. Okay, now we're gonna stick with the high frequency setting.
When your heart.
Okay, regular.
When your heart.
High frequency right now.
When your heart's not open.
Okay, we're gonna match the volume.
When your heart's not open.
Same amount of height if you want, but really big dip on the really high boost on the. This is not a boost basically. It lets past the low mid frequencies, and it handles only focus on the highs. That's why you heard that.
When your heart's not open. When your heart's not open.
No.
When your heart's not open.
No.
When your heart's not open.
Okay, you see the lows more present. Look at that.
When your heart's not open.
Regular.
When your heart's not open.
Yeah. No.
When your heart's not open.
So basically, I hear. I don't know, Dan, if you listen to that, but I really hear that there's the balance between the lows and the highs is not the same. Okay, I really feel that when it is engaged here, I really feel like the voice get less highs than the other. Not on the values, but on the balance between the lows and the highs. Listen to that.
When your heart's not open. When your heart's not open.
Listen to the nat.
When your heart's not open.
Yeah.
When your heart's not open.
Okay, that's all for today, guys. Take care.